Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to fix Wise not getting the verification code or the security code. So if you guys are experiencing some problems with your Wise application and not having the verification code or the specific code to be secure with your account, well, what we can actually do to solve this problem is be aware about our internet connection. So the internet connection or having some connectivity issues with your Wi-Fi could easily go ahead and contribute to the issue that you're experiencing. So knowing our issue with our Wi-Fi could actually go in and double check if you have connectivity issues with your Wi-Fi, and also try yourself data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now, one more thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to double check our numbers or we have inputted on our Wise account if it is the right one. Now, we may have entered a wrong email or a wrong phone number, which is why it's not receiving, or it was just why we are not receiving the verification code. To verify our accounts, you need to go ahead and double check that. Essentially, that's what you guys need to know about not getting the verification code of your Wise account. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.